Look at that. Lunch is almost served. The steaks are just kind of resting as per the chef. Nice little storm of seasoning. I love salt and pepper. Steak and baked potatoes today, kids. That's salt, just, oh yeah. Man. Oh, he's gonna throw some Pringles chips on there anyways, that's cool. Nice, man. Nice. What do you think of that for a lunch out in the middle of the woods? It's amazing, bud.
Just in case.
Yeah, just a couple of drops. Just scatter mine everywhere on that. Just a little bit everywhere. No?
Yep. You like that?
That's good, that's good.
Alright.
Nice. The money sauce. I'll find a way to sit down somewhere, and I'll move the salt and pepper shakers away from the fire here. We'll put the lid on that. I can't believe it's not butter. Pringles over here. Nice. Alright guys, well, makes for a pretty short video, but I mean, lunch is served. Peter there chowing down, man, that is going to be one heck of a lunch. Mixing all the butter in with his potatoes and stuff. How is it, bud? Good? Alright guys, we'll be back. It's time for me to dive into that. I mean, look at that. Isn't that awesome? I'm pretty excited. So we'll get back to you here in a bit, and we'll talk about our meal after we eat it. Alright, bye for now.